the people that are agitating or working hard to extradite Ekpa from Finland are confused people. They are mentally confused. Physically, I think they should go for medical checkup because they are not well. They are sick. Extradite Simon Ekpa, is it possible? Has not Ohaneze as a group gone to Finland before asking for Ekpa? Disappointedly, they could not come back with Ekpa. I listen to me. See, let me tell you. Confucianists, that's the same word. They are confusing themselves, and they themselves, they are confused. Simon Ekpa is a military man based in Finland. He worked with Finland army in the Finland military. So, do you think it is possible? How could somebody just wake up, load his guns, turn it up to the moon, started wasting the gunpowder, even the pellets? See, let me tell you, there are things you can say or talk. People will begin to look or check your mental ability. Simon Ekpa is there working, living good life. At least everybody knows that Finland is far, far better than Britain, not even than Nigeria. Finland is better, far, far than Britain, than Nigeria. Finland is the most advanced country in the world. There's no how that country could allow dates. No, they can't allow it. Two, for what reason? They are trying to bring in Simon Ekpa into this country. For what reason? It is meaningless. It is without what? Irrational. That is irreasonable. Because what Simon Ekpa is doing is right. Simon Ekpa is agitating for emancipation of Biafra. Biafran nation. And it is right. It is not by force. When somebody says he's tired of you, just leave him. Nigeria is up to 100 years. Any province, any district, any region that is not satisfied with the policy of this country, with the way Nigerian government is being run, such region could just go. Yes, it is an international law. Nigeria clocked 100 years in 2014. From 2014 to date is 9 years now. That's 10 years. Nigeria is 110 years. Igbo man is tired of Hausa man, tired of Fulani man. We can go, we should go. See, let me tell you, we are not even forcing it on anybody. It is a matter of time. And when time comes, we are going. So all this one, you are just, Simon Ekpa is this, Nnamdi Kanu is this. Igbo man has grown up to that level of independence. And there's no way we can be mincing our word on thorough agitation of Biafran nation. You can see what is going on in Nigeria. I think you can see by yourself. Igbo man, Biafra has gone. Simon Ekpa will remain there indefinitely, doing his job well until Biafra emancipates. So it is no news. And those people that are confused are the one asking for his head. Simon Ekpa is doing the right thing. See, asking or demanding for his extradition is something that should be an agreement between Finland and Nigeria. But when some persons have paid for his head to kill him in Finland, I see that as, that's why I say that they are confused. They need mental overhauling. They're supposed to go through reorientation or rehab, because Simon Ekpa is not going anywhere, and Nigeria can never ever ask for his extradition from Finland. It is not possible. He's a military man. The best thing Nigeria should have done is confront Finland. I don't know whether you understand what I mean. Confront Finland, bring him back. Shebi, you say you are a giant of Africa. Shebi, you say you can rig election and buy everybody with your money. Tinubu should go to Finland and buy and buy into Fin government and bring him back. Jebina Jagaban. He should go there now. No, Tinubu is allowed. The other day I watched him. He landed in Qatar. I think you understand. He should go to Finland now. Go Finland and bring Simon Ekpa. It's not a matter of talking and yelling at someone that is living a good life in Scandinavian Europe, where he lives. Ekpa is living big and big and big and big. And let me tell you, the Igbos love him. Tinubu and his co-hosts, Nigerian Fulani, government and Hausa might hate him. But I'm telling you that the Igbos, they love him.
I thought Nnamdi has come out to say that that Ekpa doesn't work for him.
Let's go say. The moon is a proverb that some persons don't know. When you look at the moon, you see only one side of the moon. Do you see the other side? It is not possible. Simon Ekpa might tell you he doesn't like it, Nan might tell you he doesn't like it, but all are doing the business of what? Agitation. So, don't mind anybody that tells you that Simon Ekpa is owning Nan is disowning Simon Ekpa. They are just outrageously confused people. Confused people. And let me tell you, if not that Simon Ekpa is in Finland doing his business, what he knows how to do well, you know what I mean by his business? Agitation for Biafra nation. Nnamdi Kanu's fame would have gone down to the mud, and even Biafra agitation would have sunk down to Potopoto since. But you can see the fire of Biafra. Simon Ekpa has been setting the fire of Biafra glow, and it's what? It glows. It is glowing on daily basis. Emancipation of Biafra is here. Whoever doesn't like it, I always refer people to that high tension. If you don't like Igbo nation to come, climb that high tension and hug it. Igbo man has gone. Our name, we are gunners. We don't go. Ekpa must be there. Biafra must emancipate. That is what God has written down.
I fear for Ekpa. I fear this government.
You fear for Ekpa, you fear for him. See, let me tell you, he's a young man. I don't know whether you've seen his face. Ekpa is below 40 years. He's a young man who is very smart, intelligent, worked with Finland military. Now, currently, I think he's among the lawmakers in Finland. He's a very smart man. I actually like him. I'm not afraid for him. I don't have fear for him that anything could happen to him, because I know, by me look at him, he's an intelligent man. So I would rather tell you I envy Ekpa. I don't know what I understand. I would like to be in his position, or to be there to have one-on-one rapport with him. I think the young man is doing virtually well. If Nigeria could come out and say something with their hearts, they should have been telling people that they would like Ekpa to work with them, because he's an intelligent man. See, the constituents of this current administration are people with Down syndrome. I repeat again, Down syndrome. They don't think well, they don't reason well, they don't have human sympathy, they don't see well. Again, they are too myopic, they don't see far. They just talk anyhow. They promise Nigerians gold and diamond. At the end of the day, they will come and tell you, say, it's just a mere promise, political promise. I didn't understand. They don't regard Nigerians. They don't have your interest at hands. All they know is their family. Tinubu is there just running mouth about reporting Simon Ekpa. See, let me tell you, Tinubu should face his business. Rule Nigeria, captain Nigeria, the chief of Nigeria to the Canaan land, promised land. Are you listening to me? Stop looking at somebody, yelling at him, someone that has not even talked or spoken with you for the first time. Each of Biafra is bigger than Tinubu, but he doesn't know. Biafra was here 500 years before Nigeria. The nation called Nigeria was, I think it started from a Portuguese, because the Portuguese, they landed here first, before the British man. I think you understand. Biafra was been before Nigeria for 500 years. Nigeria was just 110 years. Nigeria of 1914, talking to Biafra that was here before Nigeria for 500 years, before inception of Nigeria.